So pretty much there are options for nomads. It just takes a lot of work, a lot of research. But at the end of the day, I think I am actually saving more money not having nationwide insurance, because I do take the time to find the right doctors, find the right means. I've also been very lucky to be a very healthy person who's always eating clean. I don't drink a lot of alcohol. I don't do any drugs. So I do believe lifestyle and prevention is a big thing, but listen, this is all just my opinion. I have not stating facts, just my beliefs. So do your research. It definitely pays off.